Hi, my beginners. Today we will learn colors name. Are you ready? Hello kids, come sing with me. Colors, colors, 1, 2, 3. Red and yellow, green and blue. So many colors just for you.
The red monkey ate a tomato and laughed. Blue, the blue whale blew big bubbles. Yellow, the yellow duck danced in the sunshine. Green, the green frog hopped like a jumping ball. Pink, the pink squirrel wore a pretty bow. Orange, the orange tiger juggled oranges. Purple, the purple owl winked with big eyes. Brown, the brown bear sat on a tiny. Black, the black cat tried to wear sunglasses. White, the white rabbit sneezed a shoe like snow. Gray elephant tried to hide behind a tree. Gold, the goldfish did a shiny twirl. Silver, the silver dolphin swam like a glitter rocket. Maroon, the maroon horse wore a funny hat. Peach, the peach bird sang a silly song. Beige, the beige camel made a happy face. Teal, the teal turtle did a slow motion dance. Turquoise, the turquoise parrot said hello in a silly voice. Navy blue, the navy penguin slid on the ice, giggling. Sky blue butterfly tickled a flower. Lime green, the lime frog wore lime sunglasses. Magenta, the magenta flamingo posed like a model. Lavender, the lavender sheep tried to smell every flower. Violet, the violet deer jumped like a spring. Indigo, the indigo octopus waved 8 hands. Cream, the cream goat licked ice cream happily. Bronze, the bronze lion roared softly like meow. Mint green, the mint panda chewed bamboo coolly. Ruby, the ruby fox wore shiny red shoes. Coral, the coral crab danced sideways.
Colors bright and colors fun. Learning time is now all done. Wave your hand and smile with me. Bye little friends, 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you at my next video. Bye bye.